Hello, hello. How we doing today? My stream good? We looking good? I'm going to stay live for a little bit before I can actually do that. Before I actually start doing the intro and all that. I haven't even started recording either. I got my circle with me. Hello, Rainy Nights. How are you doing? Are you able to hear me? Is everything good? Yeah, circle. Wow, you even spelled it correctly, Suncat. See? I got circle. Hello, Miles. How's everyone doing today? Sorry I'm a little late, like later than usual. I had a lot of different stuff going on. I was just now able to get to streaming. It hasn't been that long, maybe like a week. I'm doing alright, I guess. Some cat? What do you mean before? Why'd you get rid of it? Also, make sure you press live. Make sure it's live so there's no, like, big delay. Years ago? Circle's been around for that long? I never even realized how long it's been around. Yeah, now it's actually being sold in Walmart, so that just goes to show how popular it's getting. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. I remember seeing the ads a long time ago. I never bothered getting one until now. Well, I say now, like half a year ago, maybe more than that. But now they actually sell the stuff in Walmart, and they have Walmart exclusive flavors, like there's Honeycrisp Apple, which is really freaking good. Yeah, it is very different. It's weird. I mean, you don't have to like put anything in the water itself, so I don't know, I like it. Hello, TCF fan, how are you doing? Yeah, they sell a kit that has the bottle with it, but it's like 20 bucks, but it comes with the bottle and like 3 different flavors. But it's like, I don't know, $2.75 for each sip. Although it could differ where you live, I'm not exactly sure. Don't quote me on that. Alright, here in about 2 minutes, I'm going to just keep chatting a little bit, and then I'll start the recording for my video. Just giving it a little bit of time before I start. As you can see by the thumbnail, my setup is slightly different. But that's because my laptop screen doesn't work. That's fair, Suncat. I thought you already got a new headset. You did? Oh, okay, fair enough. Well, if it advertises that it's meant for a console, then it's never a good idea to get one that's advertised for a console. That's why I did. That's why what I try to do now. Because anytime you get one that's advertised for a console, it just it doesn't sound right. It always sounds bad. Oh, that's okay, Vincent. So this was one of my grandmother's laptops. It's not the red one. It's a Toshiba Satellite. I think it's a Satellite. I don't recall. There's not a sticker on it, so I have to like pick it up and flip it around, but I don't want to like mess up the setup or whatever. It does have a Centrino in it, but that's pretty much all I know. I'm flipping it around. Let me check. Yeah, it's the Toshiba Satellite A105. I can't tell you the specs of it just because I don't remember. Remind me when I get the operating system booted up and I'll check it. But it's the laptop screen that doesn't work. Or the laptop that has a screen that doesn't work. Poor Sarah. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the intro for the video, and then I'll get back to the stream. Alright, I didn't forget to start recording this time. Let's go. Alright, so I'm going to start the intro. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, Oliver Windows here, and today I am back with another video. And today what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be installing Windows Longhorn. Wait, what? I'm starting a new series? Yeah, that's right. Today I am going to be installing Windows Longhorn 3683. Basically the first leaked build of Windows Longhorn that came out. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the laptop. Unfortunately, the laptop screen is broken, so I had to plug it up to a monitor. Could have chose a different monitor for this, but whatever, it's fine. Alright, there we go. Wait, there's 3663? Wait a minute. Did I write down the wrong thing again? Hang on a second. Or did I just not find that build? I thought I had that. I might have written down the build wrong again. Knowing me, I probably did. Maybe I just don't have that build. Oh, okay, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah, I know. I knew there were 2 builds before it that weren't leaked, but unfortunately I don't have my hands on them, so I have to deal with what I have. I gotta drop this stupid thing down. I don't like this mount that I have for this phone. It's really garbage. Need to get a better gimbal or something. Alrighty, we are now booted into Windows XP. Like I do with all my upgrades, or all my builds, I'm going to try to upgrade through them. Wait, what? Did Elgato show up? Anyways, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be trying to go through and upgrade them. I can't install the 64-bit versions on this laptop, unfortunately, because apparently the CPU doesn't support 64-bit, which it kind of shocks me a little bit, but the only reason I'm not using my capture card is because I don't have my VGA to HDMI adapter, and even then I don't even have a pass-through to go back from HDMI to VGA, so I have to do it like this, just because it's just a little bit too old to run through the Elgato. Alright, so as you can see... Shut up, I don't care. As you can see, it's currently connected to the internet, so it has internet drivers. And I have the little trick to get updates working on Windows XP, so that is a thing as well. As you can see, got updates. I'm not going to worry about it. I have no reason connecting to the internet, just because the time I'm going to change it to, you know, but yeah, I've got about 500 viruses on this thing. No, but for real. So what I'm going to be doing now is I guess I'm going to just be opening the disk drive and putting the disk in. I said I'm going to be opening the disk drive to put the disk in. TCF fan? No, those are real updates from the Microsoft website. Why is my disk drive not opening? It was opening earlier. It lit up and then just turned off. There it goes. Okay, scared me. And unfortunately, since this thing is so old, it's probably going to take a little longer to, you know, copy files over. But it is also on a CD, so it shouldn't take that long. Hello, Emorehoy. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. I'm about to go get my Honeycrisp apple flavor. Alright, let's see. Is it going to automatically launch auto start, or is it just not? see. I guess not. I'm going to have to open it manually. No, never mind. It's still reading. I'll give it a second. And apparently there's a lot of stuff added to this build, and this is like pretty much the first leaked build that come out too. There's quite a lot of stuff. It's just DVDR, or I mean CDR. It's not RW, unfortunately. I'd like to have RWs, but one, they're too expensive, and two, I like to have my builds in storage so I don't have to keep rewriting everything over and over, I guess. There it goes. Would you look at that? Beta... Wait, what? Do I have a legit version? Is this legit, or is there not any way to officially boot up the system? Thank you, Rainy Nights. Okay, this is legit? Okay, good. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and install. Go ahead and press install Longhorn here. Actually, you know what? Nope. No one caught me. I have to change the date first, so... let me go ahead and adjust date/time, and I'm going to go get my papers. I got my handy-dandy papers here. I'm going to have to turn the light on to see it. Here we go. Alright, so let me search through, look for Longhorn. There's XP. XP, there it is, Longhorn. So, here you go, 3683, September 23rd, 2002. Thank you, Rainy Nights. It just makes it easier for the video. I'm going to include it in the video. Okay, so I got September 23rd, I think? Yeah, 2002. And there we go. Okay. Alright, now I'm just gonna, I guess, push install Longhorn. Let's see what this looks like, because I haven't seen this in a long time. I don't exactly know. So, pushed install, let's see what happens. Okay, so the setup wizard looks pretty much identical to Windows XP, so I guess we'll just push next here. Yeah, I accept. Now time for the product key. Oh, geez, I have to, like, look. Let's see. And since these are, like, you know, old, I can show this on stream, right? Alright, cool. What's next here? Let it read the disk, and I guess just let it do what it wants to do. And Microsoft won't care. You'd be surprised. It is a corporation, after all. A very big corporation. Exactly, Sumcat, exactly. That's my point. Honestly, though, I think WinWorld PC should put Windows XP on their website now. I know they said they'll never do it, but, it's kind of, like, really out of support now. Alright, it is now restarting the computer. I hope that it just automatically just goes through the monitor, because it should, hopefully. I don't know. Seems like it would. Alright, let's listen to the audio, which you guys wouldn't be able to hear it, but... NVIDIA cuts off the microphone, so when I edit, I just mute my mic and then let my phone's mic listen to it. Yeah, yeah, that's NVIDIA for you, but you'll be able to hear it in the video with no problems. Alrighty. It's still considered Windows XP. This looks like Windows... Wait, what the heck? It's like Windows Whistler or Windows 2000. Oh, would you look at that? It's got a silver bar instead of a blue one. Yeah, some cat. Oh, okay. No video drivers. You know the whole RTX feature that G-Hub has? It like uses AI to get rid of background noise. I'm glad I use it when I stream because it's getting hot. It's like 80, 81 degrees Fahrenheit out here right now, and we got the air conditioner running, and since I live in a trailer, it's really loud. But unfortunately on the camera, you guys can't tell, but the top of it actually has a cool little, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like just pixelated stuff, but it looks black on your end, I think. Oh yeah, that's fair. I don't have a basement. Your computer will be faster and more reliable. Hey, I doubt it. Yeah, and more reliable. So, how are you guys doing today? What interesting thing happened? Longhorn after the cutoff date is trying. That's so true. So I wonder, whenever I do the post betas, do I just completely factory reset the computer and put Windows XP back on it, or should I just upgrade from the previous build? I remember one of the builds, I think it is the post reset. It's like, oh, you can't upgrade from this build, so you must get on this build or something like that. I don't recall which one that was. I wish I could change the color for members text, because y'all are green, and I wish it would be red instead of green. That would be better. Yeah, Christmas colors. I'd love it. That would be awesome. I gotta love myself some Christmas. Bum 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 ba da 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 dum. Bum 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 ba bum ba da bum bum bum. Bum 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 ba da 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 dum. Bum ba dum bum ba da 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 dum. Ba dum bum 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 ba da da dum. Bum bum ba da 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 dum. Bum 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 ba da da dum. Bum ba da 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 dum. Did anyone recognize that little song I just did there? A couple days ago, I found my old Fujitsu Life book. Copying files and configuring the boot configuration. Is that why the progress bar is kind of just stuck there? I mean, the disk is constantly spinning and the hard drive is... I don't know what the hard drive is doing. Yeah, the hard drive is constantly on too, so it's doing its job, fortunately. It could also... Oh, hey, the progress bar did move. It could also be because this laptop is old and the disk drive is probably fire the hard drive. I don't know if it's the hard drive's fault or if it's the CD drive's fault. I mean, they're both old, so it wouldn't really surprise me if it was either one. I think this kind of screen was introduced in 2257. What, the, like, dark blue color? Like, the, you know, no display driver color? See, that's the problem. I don't know what the CD speed is because the front of it is just white. It's just a white piece of white sheet of paper on top of it, so I don't know how fast it's actually supposed to go. Weird. I wonder if it's going to port over all the drivers. It should, right? Like, I hope this Intel Centrino has Direct 3D on it, because I would love to see the cool little animations and stuff that are coming. I think it's coming in this build, I don't exactly remember, but I do know that I'm going to be enabling Windows Media Center, which does change the boot screen from Windows XP Professional to Windows XP Freestyle, which is really, really cool to me. Subcat. I had it add that extra exclamation mark. Yeah, I know Media Center will be buggy and probably not even work, but I still want to enable it. Basically, I look at the Beta Wiki website and just follow what they say on there. And I did a little bit of research for once before I went to install this, and there's a lot of stuff on here. But I want to see like the icon animations and all that stuff that it was talking about if you have the Direct 3D device. I mean, the sticker on this laptop, I'm pretty sure this laptop came with SP3. I know it came with Windows Media Center 2005, Windows XP Media Center Edition 2005. The sticker says Windows designed for Windows XP, and it's Windows Vista capable, so I assume that it has the proper video drivers for it. Alright, it's about done with this screen. Notice how like less blurry it is from like one of my last streams. It's because I actually have the camera itself up close instead of having it zoomed in. Oh, I think we're restarting. Yep, we're restarting. Oh, hey, it's back to the blue bars instead of the gray ones. That was weird. Or that is weird. Big ol' mouse. Is it going to go back to the... Yeah, okay, there's the regular colored ones. It's based... I guess it's got the display drivers back, I'm not sure. TCF fan, yeah, I know there's a dead pixel. I mentioned it on my last stream, I just forgot to mention it on this one. You can actually see in the video there's a big long scratch on it too. That's because when I set it in my shed, when I shut the door, sometime it just fell on something. But somehow the rest of the screen is fine, it's just that spot is dead. It has a server 2003 copyright date, does it really? I have another monitor I could have used, but I don't think it's as high of a quality. I think it's an IBM monitor. I've used it in one of my previous videos, actually a few of my previous videos, because I found it at a thrift store for $5, I think. No, I think I found it for $2. They had two of the same one, but I could only afford one of them. That's how that's how little bit of money I have right now. Sumcat, I have two CRTs actually. I just feel like this type of monitor just fits the era of Windows XP, or Windows Vista, so that's why I got this monitor. Remember that CRT that I was trying to clean? The monitor you're using is one of the desktop PCs? Alright, it's installing devices. It says it'll take about 36 minutes. "34 minutes. Was that a fast minute? Or was I just not paying attention? I thought there would be more people in the chat today, honestly, but then again, I did start late. It's probably because I started late. Now there's only 2 viewers, apparently, according to YouTube. Oh, one of your first monitors. Yeah, that's what I figured, but I didn't know if, like, they had some weird old machinery going on where you can have this monitor built onto a computer or something. This is the first build where you can't install it using boot disk. Yeah, I know. I actually read about that as well. The first ever build of Windows to not have the booting from boot disk from DOS support. I plan on making a tutorial. Again, that's kind of related to AIM, but it's not AIM. You install, you can install XP from DOS, yeah. Just not this build of Windows Longhorn. Actually, not any build of Windows Longhorn. Yep, winnt.exe. Oh, wow, Angel. Angel Marie? Is that how you pronounce your name? Sorry, I butcher names sometimes. I appreciate it. That sound, yeah, I like to put videos on in the background whenever I'm doing work too. I do it all the time. That's why I have YouTube Premium, just so I could download a bunch of videos for whenever I don't have service and have a queue set up while I'm working, pretty much. And since this is a stream, you could become a member and, you can become a member and just watch the streams. The file on Intel Pro network connections or floppy disk is needed. Well, unfortunately, I don't have that disk, so I'm just gonna have to push cancel for it. So yeah, it's installing the drivers now. I'm not sure what driver it just tried to install. Network connections. So if I push, yeah, nothing happens. Cancel. Hopefully, it'll have the display drivers. That's all I really care about. Well, dang, how many times is it going to ask me? That was 3. Okay, 4. I said 3, Sumcat. 3. I'm not, oh shoot, I can't even think what they're called right now. Does Russian pronounce it tree? I was thinking more along the lines of, shoot, it starts with an I. Irish, there you go. I was thinking Irish. Yeah, this is pre-reset. This is pretty much the first build that leaked of pre-reset. Hence why the install screen still looks like Windows XP. It's finally copying files. The disk drive has spun up quite a bit too. I wonder what my next video should be, or my next stream. I don't plan on jumping over to Whistler. I plan on actually doing some... Maybe I'll just do that tutorial video I was talking about, but I won't be able to stream it. So, but I guess I could stream my Whistler video after I do the tutorial video. I just gotta find time to do it. Maybe I can do it late at one night. I don't know. Starts with M and ends with N. If anyone could figure out what that is, 24K. 24K, what does that mean? I also plan on doing a giveaway. I just don't know when I should do it. 24,000 what? What the heck is it asking for? Windows XP Professional CD 2. I don't have Windows XP Professional CD 2. Why is it asking me that? Actually, you know what? I think it actually tells me what this is about. Longhorn 3683. No, I think it tells me why it's doing that. I can't remember. Let me check real quick. Because it's talking about Media Center for some reason. Is this like Windows XP Media Center, or is this Freestyle Media Center? It doesn't mention anything about this, so I think this I think I just have to ignore this because this might be talking about Windows XP Media Center. I don't know though. What do you guys think? Should I just press cancel or? Yeah, David, that is correct. So, Rainy Nights, do I push cancel or do I push OK? Why is it doing this? I didn't know this. It did this. This is kind of weird. Oh, yeah, some cat. Okay, I get what you mean now. Rainy Nights, I've pushed OK like 5 times. It's just flickering. This is probably 20 times now. 30. 40. It's not doing anything. Alright, let's see. Can I find what it's looking for? Did I find what it was looking for? It sort of just froze, but the CD is spinning up. I guess I did it. I don't know why it did that to begin with. It's kind of just stuck there on the screen because it hasn't refreshed. But it did work because now it's installing some more, copying more files. I mean, it's kind of weird how it did that. We don't support the cancel culture here, that's for sure. Replying to what some cat says, I really don't like pressing cancel and that kind of stuff, but most of the time I have to. Fortunately, I didn't have to on this one. I could actually figure it out. And again, I didn't even freaking Rainy Nights and I are just always on the same wavelength on some of this stuff. Because as soon as they type something, I figure it out at the same exact time, doing the same exact thing that they said. It's really funny. By the way, whenever you guys get to month 2 of being a member, the icon changes to the Windows 95 icon. And then it keeps going on however many months it says. I don't remember the exact. I think it was like month 1, month 2, month 4, stuff like that. Yep, it just goes through there. It's pretty cool. It's like you're upgrading as you go. It's really funny. Obtain more gift card. Oh, what now? Why didn't you just do that the first time, Windows? I shouldn't even be having to interact, but this is Longhorn. Longhorn has always been very buggy. Some cat, are you asking if I get anything significant or if you get anything significant? Oh, yeah, I get like 70% of the money that you pay, and that's it. That's all I get, is just a little bit of the money. I think for the amount of members that I have I have 4 members now. I make $4.95, even though it's $3 a month on your end. YouTube just takes that much. Eventually, I plan on making more tiers, like a cheaper tier, like that's $1, and another tier that's maybe, I don't know, $5, maybe more, I don't know. But right now, I don't really know how, or not how, but I don't really know what I could possibly do, and I don't have the time if I got a higher tier. Because for the higher tiers, I'd have to actually put more effort into, like, you know, talking to the people a lot and doing all that kind of stuff, and I just feel like I don't have the time for it. Well, now it's completing the installation. ... Welcome. You've got mail. Goodbye. Man, the chat is dead today, isn't it? You heard a door shut? I didn't hear a door shut. Oh, you're talking about aim. I'm dumb. I thought, well, I moved on my carpet and it made a pop noise and I thought you heard it right when you said that. Does AOL itself have the door noises? I know AIM does, but I wasn't sure if AOL did. You see all those menus popping up and constantly in the bottom left? Ah, gotcha. You use the Windows XP Media Center Edition? So, hang on a minute. I thought it said that Media Center does work. It says Media Center is unstable and is very likely to crash instantly on some systems. But it does exist. I mean, it does work. It's just a little unstable. So, yeah, it's got Media Center already on it. Maybe it's just what you were using. It required you to install it like that. I don't know. But since it says it's freestyle, I kind of wonder, is it like, does it look like Windows XP Media Center? Like exactly the same, or is there anything different about it in this version? I don't know. Linux users updating their systems mid-class. That sounds so much like a teacher. Oh, it is the same? Well, that sucks. Still, I hope the drivers work on this thing for it. I'm pretty sure it's just you two in my chat right now. I appreciate it, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying. This stream seems a little bit more boring for some reason than the last ones. Oh, there's Angel. What are your thoughts on Vista? Love the way it looks, the aesthetic, and if you have proper equipped machine, it won't glitch that bad. YouTube likes telling me that I have like less viewers than I actually have, and it sucks. So I'm just going to stop looking at it. I personally, I really love Windows Vista. I wasn't like into computers when it came out, so I didn't know that much. I used to hate it because everyone, you know, it's word of mouth. Everyone said, "Oh, it always crashes" and whatever. But I love Windows Vista now, especially with how it looks. I've used it, like I've actually used it, and I didn't have any problems when using it. So I don't know. I just like Windows Vista, and that desktop that I used to install Windows Earth. It's a Windows Vista machine. Windows Movie Maker makes it fun. Wait, Windows Movie Maker makes what fun? What did I miss? Registering components. See, Windows 7, I guess, was more stable, and it was like they toned down the beauty. They toned down the beauty of it, of Windows Vista. But I love Windows Vista. I wish you could still get Windows Ultimate Extras on Windows Vista today. Like, if you do the whole update hack, you only get like main updates, but you don't get like the Ultimate Extras stuff. Why is the screen black? The mouse is still there. Oh, the mouse is gone. If Vista's theme could be repeated easily on the I guess that's fair. Man, the freaking loading bars are still blue. Why was it gray that one time? I mean, is that what freestyle looks like and it just messed up? Do you think, oh, what's that update tool called? I can't remember what it is because it's always broken for me. Legacy Update? Do you think Legacy Update has Ultimate Extras? Yeah, no, Sumcat. That's for drivers. I'm talking about updates. What? Something went wrong. What the heck? Man, I swear if it gets stuck in a boot loop, I'm going to be upset. Now I have to sit here for another, like, what, 15, 30 minutes? Oh, does it? Okay, good. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get that to work, because it never works properly for me. It always, like, breaks or crashes. It's kind of weird. Even in virtual machines, it does that. Yeah, exactly, Sumcat. Ugh, this sucks. Do you think it'll crash again, or was it just like a one-time thing? What do you think? Oh, that's good. Yeah, I don't know why. Just Legacy Update is busted for me on no matter what computer I put it on or virtual machine. If it restarts again, I hope I don't have to freaking... man, this sucks. I hope it's not a driver issue. Because there might be a driver on there that's way too new for this install. I might have to just see if I can install it fresh. And then try to install drivers. You really think installing it fresh will do it? Okay, I guess I will do that then. Alright, let's try and install fresh. Hopefully the setup works properly. Oh, I hope I'm pushing F12. Did I miss it? No, okay. Alright, time to try and install it fresh this time, unfortunately. It's not a true, fully upgrading from Windows XP, but please tell me I didn't miss. I might have missed. I was looking at chat. Yep, I missed. Dang it. Install Windows 7 to SD card? That's crazy. Hey, I turned you off. Why didn't you turn off? Alright, let's try this again. Go down to CD. Press enter. Wait for the screen to pop up. Alright, there we go. Didn't miss this time. Hello, Foulware. Welcome back. Yeah. I guess I'll just push F10. And here we go. I have no idea what's going on, Foulware. Welcome to the stream, though. I'm glad to see you. I was hoping you'd join. You missed it. I tried to upgrade from Longhorn, or to Longhorn. I tried to upgrade from Windows XP to Longhorn, and setup just restarted with no warning. So I'm trying to install fresh, and hopefully it doesn't do the same thing. Well, Cat, I don't have any Dr. Pepper. Sorry about that. I went AFK for a second. I had to do the laundry. Alright, what did I miss? Dang, let's see. Oh, that sucks. Some cat about the Dr. Pepper. Well, okay, good. It didn't crash at least. When I came back in, the screen was black. I was afraid it restarted on me. Alright, let's press continue. Continue again. Alright. 8. It's called Windows XP Media Center Edition on this. Do I repair or do I just press escape? Alright, if you say so, Rainy Nights. I'm going to delete these partitions. And install. Quickly install. And now it's time to copy files. Bro, I need a haircut. I don't have an SSD. This is going to take a little bit. And after it freaking copies the files, it's got to, expand them, which takes even longer. You dropped your MacBook? Wow, it is 50 minutes. That's crazy. Didn't even think about how long I've been streaming already. It's a boring process going through this stuff, but I know some people like to watch it. Usually I sit there and watch it, but then sometimes I lay down on the ground and just doze off. It's 8:17 for me. SSDs are terrible for sleep. What are you talking about? You mean since you have a hard drive, you get time to take a nap or something? That's what you... Man. Why would it take you a few hours to install Windows 7? Dang, that must be on a slow hard drive or something. Why is it stuck at 17%? It's not. No, it was interesting. Oh, I didn't notice down at the bottom right, it tells you what it is for some reason. It is probably copying over driver.cab. Or drivers.cab. See, you guys get background music, but if I listen to the music, I just can't come up with words, and so I just sit there in silence. And if I try to respond, I'll start stuttering over my words. So I can't listen to any of the music. So does everyone here have an ad block on? Yeah, that's fair. I glance over and I'm already at 49%. Don't forget to push the live button to make sure you're synchronized. And you're on the Xbox Series S? Nice, I have an Xbox Series X. uBlock Origin has blocked 421. Wait, did you type that on your Xbox, TCF fan? Oh, the misery. Or is it memory? I don't know. Man, that must be a pain unless you have your keyboard connected to your Xbox. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Okay. External keyboard makes more sense. I would do that too, but I don't use my Xbox enough. Spare symphonies. Oh shoot, I said that wrong. I remember the old Xbox 360 days as well. I remember the old Xbox days. Of course, I was little, but my uncle would always play on it. I have his old Xbox, original Xbox. I also have an Xbox 360, like the original Xbox 360. 360 Slim, huh. Oh, it's about to restart. I'm sure my Xbox 360 would be fine as well, but I don't really use it. It's just in my shed. Who knows if it even works now? I bought it a long time ago. Played a little bit on it, but realized... I don't know what I realized, but... yeah, they're long gone. I want to find a way to get the old firmware put on that, or the old software put on that Xbox so I can see what it was like. See, it's not... it doesn't have the gray anymore like it did. Also, some cat... I don't agree. I actually still am a fan of the Xbox, kind of. I just don't play it. The CD drive doesn't eject. On the Xbox? Yeah, I've seen that before. That's happened quite a lot. So this time it doesn't have that, like... that, you know, 16 color setup. Oh, I see what you mean, some cat. Alright, please don't restart on me. I'm going to be upset. I'm still going to post the video, I'll just be upset about it. I'll post the video like, oh, it didn't work, and then try to upgrade to the next build. I mean, BetaWiki says it works. It could just be the computer I'm trying to install it on. It could be too new for it. But, like I said earlier, it could also be driver issue. It's weird how it asks you for the product key after it's pretty much installed. Oh, will it really? Let's test that. Yeah. Well, now I can't get rid of it. Angel, that's pretty much everything, and not just computers and consoles. Well, I guess I don't know about phones. The iPhone, the Apple, the iOS has pretty much been the same for a very long time. It's kind of stupid. Android, however, has changed a lot. It still doesn't have that simplicity. Yeah. I'm going to let this install, and I'm going to go AFK for a bit, but I hopefully will be back. Just sit there and watch this go, I guess. Alright, never mind. I'll go through this setup first. Oh, shoot, I don't have the product key. There it is. Alright, so CKY 4 QAQ H 3K R C 6 BCY. Okay. Unfortunately, I don't have to put a password on this. Will change the time zone though. Alright, cool. Now hopefully nothing pops up, because I do have to go AFK for a second. Thank you, Rainy Nights, I appreciate that. Will anything else pop up? Like network and stuff? I can't remember. I think network shows up after this. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'll have to wait on this networking to show up before I do. Gotcha. There it is. Typical settings. Work group. And that's it. Alright, I'll be AFK for a second. Just, watch it, I guess. I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. Good to see that it hasn't restarted. I'm so glad it didn't reset. I have eight viewers now, and I've been AFK. It's funny. So when I got home, either last night or the night before, we went out. I mean, we were door dashing, whatever makes some money. And we come home and we see a bunch of ants on our ceiling. So I dealt with that last night, and she found some more, so I was just spraying it. We found where they were coming from, fortunately, so we were able to get it fixed, but they didn't, they just spread a little across the living room area, but that was it. So that's all I was doing. I am back now. It's saving settings. I'm so glad it didn't reset this time. It didn't restart. TCF fan, yeah, good luck finding a product key for Windows 7. I'm the only one, well, me and moderators are the only one that can see that message because you swore, but it is now saving settings. I said that already, but it's got like 5 minutes left. Man, does my knee hurt. My knee hurts. But yeah, I'm back, some cat. Can anyone tell that I'm back? No one was talking. I couldn't tell. Oh, you had OS open. Gotcha. Yeah, that's funny. You have the video in the background? Like on a separate monitor, or you just had it on? Oh, hi, Rainy Nights. Nice. Hey, Rainy Nights, are you in my Discord server, or do you not have a Discord at all? I only have 2 monitors, and they aren't that, the best. I don't like my main monitor at all. It's just 240 hertz. It's a 1080p monitor, too. It's just, I don't know. It's an Acer brand, so I don't like it. Predator. Kind of garbage. I got it because it was on sale. Oh, that's fair. 1 or more minor errors occurred installing Windows. The errors will not prevent Windows from running. After Windows starts, you can check the setup log file for more information. Okay, so interesting. Yeah, sure. Let's go ahead and view it, see what it says. Setup detected that the system file named fsusd.dll is not signed properly by Microsoft. This file could not be restored to the correct Microsoft version using SSD. Holy crap, that's a lot of files. How can it not... I don't... How could it not sign these when it... How silly. These literally are Microsoft drivers. That's... Alright, get out of here. Hopefully it'll boot without any problems. Among Us. Among Us. I should really turn my GPU lights off while I stream. Although I am eventually going to move to the other side of my desk. Still the default. I wonder if there's audio drivers. Oh wow, it's already called itself Longhorn XP Professional. Interesting. It just immediately adopted that that code name, unlike Whistler. I guess because they were merging between two different, builds, so they didn't really have a code name for Whistler. Yeah, the whole reason why I'm moving over is because I plan on getting a shelf to put behind my computers that so you guys can see what's going on behind this stuff. I'll have like a shelf with some stuff, but if I put it on this side, it'll block my electrical panel, which is for some reason in the bedroom and right next to me. So it is a trailer, so it is to be expected. The XP copyright date? Yeah, that's true. They didn't touch this please wait sign, I guess. Who remembers that Microsoft logo? Anyone remember that one? The bottom right Microsoft, like the actual logo itself. You can't really see it on the screen, but there's like a little sliver in the O, in the first O on the right side. How weird. The hard drive light isn't on and the DVD drive isn't on. Never mind, as soon as I say that, the hard drive light comes on. Yeah, back when, companies were allowed to make cool logos. Now everything has to be simplified, including Taco Bell. And Burger King. Burger King, ooh. Aw, there's no audio drivers. That's okay, this should have the same exact setup. Out-of-box experience. Yeah, it's the same. Alright, I'm good. My car has one of those for the Bluetooth. Oh, you're talking about Microsoft Sync. Yeah, my old car had Microsoft Sync in it. Alright, I'll go ahead and just ignore all this because it's pretty much the same stuff. I'll get the audio drivers installed for the next upgrade. It did say this out-of-box experience, or Ubi, runs a lot slower than the rest of them for some reason. Yeah, Sumcat, Sync is a Microsoft brand, which is why it's not made anymore. I had a Lincoln, which had Sync in it. Typing here. My name is Gabe. Let's push next. Thank you. Finish. Microsoft powered. Ooh, look at this theme. Got the silver and the nice little blue color. It's like almost a gray. It's like a gray blue. Good luck with that, Sumcat. I got rid of my car that had Sync in it. Sync is... I don't care for it. And there we go. The custom skin Longhorn M3 build. Before I look into it, I'm going to install the drivers so I can it doesn't look as dumb. I don't know, I guess it looks okay on y'all's screen, but in my end it's bad. Oh yeah, I know Suncat. I know. You can also run audio through Bluetooth with sync as well to play music in your car. Alright, let's see if I can get these drivers installed on this or not. Computer. Okay, what just happened? Whoa. Well, that was weird. I'm not sure why that just happened. Alright, cool. It just installed the drivers. What? Look at this preview thing. Holy crap. That would be annoying if that was today. Also, I have no idea why it's in kilobytes. Whoopsies. Toasty! Sorry. Come on, open. Come on, whoa, why is there... Close one of these. There we go. It thinks it's Windows Vista. Shoot. Is there a way... Does restore points exist in Windows XP? I can't remember. 14 days left for activation. What do you mean? It's already activated. I wonder if I could call Microsoft. I mean, I know I can call them, but I won't worry about it. Let's just install these and see what happens. I'm not exactly sure what that flash media controller is. I think it's because of the SD card slot that this laptop has. Yeah, I've activated via phone before. Yeah, Texas Instruments, that's the weird part. Maybe it's the... I don't know. I mean, there's like a play pause button, a stop button, a you know, skip and rewind button, and two more buttons that are built on the side of this thing right under the power button, but they don't work. They haven't worked for a long time. I've never seen them work before. New device installed. No, I'm not gonna do that. Sigma-Tel C Major Audio. Never even heard of that brand. God, that scared me. Continue anyway. Please install the audio drivers. Yeah, TI-84CE. Well, hey, there we go. It says it's successfully installed, but I don't know for sure if it actually is installed. There's no mouse drivers either, so I can't scroll with my fingers. And here's another Texas Instruments controller. I'm not too certain as to what it would be. What the heck? Why did that just open? That was a little weird. Let's get that out of here. Oh, I just realized this one is in full screen. Maybe that one of the drivers was a controller for the disk drive to make it run better? I don't know. Oh, great. I have to do this for probably every driver. A USB controller by Texas Instruments. Well, I guess there you go. This laptop proves that Texas Instruments makes other stuff, but instead of calculators. Graphical calculators, too. I don't own any Mac. I'd like to get a Mac to Hackintosh, but I don't even know. Does Windows support the like M1 and M2 Macs? Since it's its own like, custom device. Yeah. I want to get a Mac and make a video on it, but yeah, I didn't think Windows supported it. Sahi? Sounds like a Japanese restaurant name. I think it is a Japanese restaurant name where I live. I think I've heard of that before. Yeah, it's called Asahi's. And people would always mistake it with Wasabi's. I don't know. I just don't care for the iOS. I don't really care for Apple related stuff. I mean, obviously I'd get one. I'd make a video on one if I could, but I don't have one. They're too expensive. There was one Apple computer that I found when doing work. They had it sitting down there doing just sitting there, and it was a very, 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 very old machine. I can't remember what it was called now. I think it's like the Apple II, Apple IIc, I think. Alright, now it's installing the touchpad. Hopefully, the touchpad drivers don't freaking break it. I'm going to be upset if it does, because it's going to take me forever to try and get that uninstalled. Did it even install a display driver? Or I hope it did. It might reset after I restart the laptop. Unfortunately, Zachary, I don't have $200. I don't even have 100. I don't even have 50 or 10. Maybe I will later, but right now I'm going through some financial problems, so I can't really. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder, later down the road, when my channel grows more and becomes more professional, if I should open a P.O. box and see if people send me stuff. I think it'd be really cool. Like, really, really, really cool. Ivy Bridge? Here's a pipe bomb? Yeah, okay, Suncat, sure. I've been recording for an hour and 20 minutes. I've been live for an hour and 26 minutes. See, I know Windows can be installed on older Macs because they have Intel CPUs, so there's easier workarounds for it. Is there any Mac that has an AMD CPU in it? No? Oh, okay. I appreciate that, Zachary. What channel is it, or is it the one that you're talking on right now? So, you love was it Lukey, Lucy? Is that supposed to be some sort of reference to I Love Lucy? Oh, well, that makes sense because 2011, it's AMD GPUs. AMD was really bad back then. Oh, okay. I thought maybe you were like referencing that old show. Oh wow, good luck with that. Alright, so apparently it's successfully installed, so I'm going to go ahead and close all these and restart the computer. I hope the audio driver is installed, because as of right now they did not. I wonder if that's why the setup rebooted, was because one of these 4 drivers. I wonder if the SDI has old versions of these drivers. Yeah, still no audio. It's pretty unfortunate. Well, that figures. I don't know what this is about. Oh no! Oh, I was afraid of that. I don't know what's happening right now. I can't move the mouse because that stupid driver. I'm gonna have to restart the computer. But the start menu isn't. The start menu isn't opening either. No, I did not. Did it like lock up on me? Let's see. Hey, it's locked up on me. Did you look at that? It can take up to a minute, but that it like froze completely, like the mouse wasn't moving or anything. Well, the mouse not moving could actually be because of the driver, but I'm sure a lot of people have heard of Windows V now. I made a video on it. I did not tell the disk to eject, and it just ejected. Yeah, unfortunately, the freaking driver for the mouse is broken, and this isn't the first time that that's happened to me before. Alright, so I guess I'll just let it sit there for a while. I like that fish it has as my profile picture. Yeah, Biswa, I'm still alive. I completely forgot to uncheck the mouse when installing the drivers, so unfortunately, I'm going to have to somehow figure this out. How do I uninstall the mouse drivers? I don't know. Oh. Okay. Alright, we're loaded. Mouse still doesn't work. How do I uninstall the driver for it? Let's see. Would it be Device Manager? Hey, I was typing. This sucks. Okay, let's see. Okay, Alt F4, get out of here. Thank you. Alright, so tab. Maybe just normal tab. Where's that button at? This button. Oh, wait, no. Okay, how do I tell it to refresh now? How do I tell it to search? I can't get to the top. F1? Whoops. Shift F? Is that what it is? Alt, that's what it is. There we go. Oh, come on, please install it. Shut up. No one likes you. This sucks. Okay. Go away. Alright, next. Did you all hear this? Foulware isn't here? He was earlier. Come on, install the mouse. Install the mouse. That's all I want. That's all I want for Christmas. Except for my 2 front teeth, of course. Oh, hey, look, it's Foulware. Say hello to Foulware, everyone. Shut up. Why does it keep doing that? There was a problem. Bro, what is going on? It was working earlier. What? I don't understand. Wait, I know what's going on. Hang on. What? Why does this keep popping up? Oh, I see. Well, shoot, now what? Usually a menu pops up so you can tell it to, like, completely remove the files for the driver. I'm pressing tab, but it doesn't go up to the menu. Restarting, I don't think is going to do anything, but I'll try. Because I've had this problem before. Like, there's nothing I can do about it. I remember HTC phones. I used to have one. I wonder if I just plug in a mouse, if that'll work. I don't know, I didn't know HTC disappeared. Oh, hey, what? What the heck? Restarting actually worked. I'm kind of shocked. Usually it doesn't work whenever I do that. Alright. Let's see. Did anything freaking do what I needed it to do? Probably not. Oh god, I forgot about this one. Yeah, very functional, guys. Alright. Let's change this, turn it up a little bit. There we go, much better. Dang, the mouse moves so slow now. I'll turn it down so you guys can see it. Oh, that was weird. Turn down another one. Here we go. Alright, at least the resolution's a little bit better. It doesn't have the different colors of Plex at the moment. It still considers itself Windows XP Professional. I don't know why I made that beep. Alright, is there anything special on here? Let's see. Nope. Oh god. It has to enable the 3D stuff. Here we go. I'll keep it at 3D flying objects for now. Desktop, I'll leave it the same just because it's, you know, Longhorn. Wait, there's two Plexes? Or is this Windows XP? It's Windows XP, okay. They just didn't rename it yet. Gotcha. Alright. So, I'm going to check one more time and see if it'll install the audio driver. I guess not. How unfortunate. Well, that's good, Biswa. Also, that's not good when your Mac is overheating. I hate that when drivers aren't signed, it just doesn't work the way it's supposed to. $104C? Holy crap. Yeah, I don't believe that is successfully installed. Nope, didn't think so. That really sucks. It's weird because it says that it's like, and it's on, but it's not actually doing anything. It won't let me like choose. It won't let me choose it for some reason. anybody know why? Rainy nights. Again, I've actually got this installed. It just doesn't work. This one would have worked. See, watch. I'll restart it again. Because I did do the install the driver for it, and it's already back up on the list again. I love having audio drivers. That's one of my favorite things to have. I just think it's too new for it or something. Yep, no audio drivers. Well, you saying I'm slow, Bizwa? Alright, time to do the little things that it says this has. So, first up, it's, let's see. It includes an early version of Windows Presentation Foundation. It's got Windows Trust Manager. It's got WinFS, which is Windows Future Storage. It's got... apparently it's got Zoom in the toolbar of Windows Explorer. There's a new breadcrumb bar. There's a new quote-unquote context menu. There's a My Contacts library. A friendlier version of Device Manager. Let's see. Nope, no audio device. I don't know why. It's right here. It just doesn't want to be used as it for some reason. Whatever. Let's see. File conflict resolve dialog, briefcase introduction. The sidebar does exist. I will go ahead and enable it just to see it. So, alright, let's get this out of here. Right click. Properties, I guess. Enable the sidebar apply. Oh wow, look at that, it's even transparent. I'm kind of surprised that it's transparent, considering how new this is. Let's see, what tiles are not hidden? We got clock, desktop manager, MFU, quick launch, search, slideshow, and user tile. I'll go ahead and add the clock. Look at that. It's not even, it's flat. It's got like a little, it's got squished a little bit. Get that out of here. I wish the troubleshoot actually did something instead of just showed up a freaking help menu. I hate that help menu. Yeah, that's fair, Biswell. So there's hidden sidebar stuff. So there's a people sidebar. There's a digital clock sidebar, which I am going to add. Changing the following values in the registry. So let's go ahead and open regedit. So we got current user, software. I Microsoft Windows would be down at the bottom. Current version Explorer. Here. Start bar modules. Start bar modules. Dig. Oh. Well, I don't have dig clock or people. Do I have to create it? I might have to create it. Would creating it work? Oh well, it's okay. I won't add it. Well, I have to create the key, but it's like I have to create the folder, and there's two things under it: assembly and module. It's a digital clock. I thought it would be cool, but apparently there's a game manager in this as well, and desktop compositing engine also exists. So, should I enable DCE? Apparently that's like, I think it's the aura effect, where things are transparent like the sidebar is. Let's see. Alright, I guess I'll try and see if I can get it to work. Got a local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, of course, desktop composition. You see, it's not in here. What the heck? It's another item that isn't in this. Oh, or is it inside this? Let's see. No, it should be desktop composition. Oh, it is called key. Okay. I misunderstood what key was. So, desktop composition. And then create new, I guess, D word? Yeah. Start. Oops. Startup. Options. Setting it to 1. Okay. And then restarting, I guess. I'll just restart it. Let's see what this is all about. I'm not even certain. I've never looked into this before. Yeah, 1 hour and 47 minutes. It's 9:18 p.m. here. I gotta get off soon. I'm glad you enjoy the live streams. I appreciate you guys being here to watch. I can't wait to enable Media Center on this, even though I don't have audio. I really wish I did. I don't even think plugging up the speaker would work. Thank you, Biswa. I appreciate it. Well, I'll be honest, I'm not exactly sure what that did, but it's a little laggy now. Let's see, let me try to, oh, I see, I gotta run command prompt. Alright. Run DLL 32 user 32.dll start. Did it do anything? I'm sorry, I don't know what desktop compass. I can't speak. I don't know what that means. What was that beep? I don't know. What is DCE? I didn't notice a difference. It says it renders window transparency, and it works on real hardware. But I'm not... Do I have to open a new window, maybe? Or do I have to restart again, or... It's just causing lag, I don't understand. Oh, that's because I have to set it to 00000002 instead of 1. Well, I'm not sure what's going on. I guess it doesn't work on this system, which is very, very unfortunate. It's very sad, but... Okay, now... probably last but not least, I'm going to enable Media Center. Maybe. Yes. How to remove programs. Add new programs. Or, no, Windows components. Here it is, freestyle. That's what I'm looking for. Yep. Alright, next. Tampering with your registered product type. This is a violation of your software license. What is it even talking about? What am I tampering with? Where's my DVD? There it is. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. It's doing stuff. I think it's copying over Media Center. Oh, dang, if I had audio drivers, I read The out-of-box experience is actually, the music is actually different. It's a song called No Hay Problema by Pink Martini. If I had audio drivers, I would have freaking heard it. That's sad. I guess in the video I'll put it over, just so we can hear it, but man, that sucks. What? So what do you guys think? Do you guys think that the drivers will work on the next build? Or should I reinstall Windows XP, put the drivers on it, and then upgrade to the next build? I'm pretty sure it's just because the drivers are too new, honestly. So, I'm not sure what I should do. Exactly, it depends. I just gotta make sure I have enough time, so if I try to upgrade and it fails again, I'll just have to reinstall it. So I'll have to like start sooner than I did this time. I should have known it would take this long though. Yeah, that's unfortunate if I need an older system. Because, I mean, I have my Windows 98 computer, but I have the Whistler stuff on it, and I don't have another hard drive. I mean, I have the 10 gigabyte hard drive, but it's really slow. Alright, let's press finish here. And now I guess let's restart the computer. Let's see it say freestyle. It should be gray loading symbols instead. Did you see the sidebar black? The black sidebar? Non-existent sidebar? I have older systems. I have a Windows 95 machine. I have a Windows Millennium machine. But it just runs too slow. That's why I don't use it. The machines I have run too slow, basically. I think it's the hard drives in them, and some of them... Some of them, it's the RAM. Alright, let's see what happens. Come on, give me freestyle. Yeah, there you go. Windows XP Freestyle. It doesn't have the gray boot, though, which is kind of weird why I had it that one time. But there you go. Instead of professional, it's freestyle. And apparently you can't uninstall it either, which is fine by me. I love Windows Media Center. I wonder now that I enabled Freestyle if it'll actually install the driver properly. That'd be weird. Well, I'm glad the video is okay because I just realized that my phone is actually streaming over Wi-Fi, my camera, to the OBS. I heard a train and I thought it was the freaking computer for a second. See, back when I was looking through all this stuff, I didn't know about any of it. No world domination, I guess. Alright, let's see it. Let's see it. Where's it at? Media Center. Media Center programs is empty for some reason. Alright, let's see. What happens? I can't even open it. I know they say it's very buggy and it'll crash all the time, but maybe if I just keep reopening it, it'll work. Question? Oh, did you see that? What did that say? I'm gonna have to put a freeze frame on that in the video. It said welcome, that's what it said. The more I open it, the more it shows. That's weird. Well, at least we get to see a little bit of it. That's kind of funny, honestly. I thought for sure it would work. Let me check to see real quick if I can get this driver installed. Yeah, I don't know. It's I guess this laptop is too new for it, which is sucky. This laptop probably came out in, I don't know, I'm going to assume it came out in 2003. No, not 2003, sorry. 2005, 2006, basically right before Windows XP came out. I mean, sorry, Windows Vista came out. I'm getting sleepy, as you can tell. I should get an install of WinRAR on here, see if I can just extract the files myself. But for some reason I don't. Which I guess I can do real quick. Which I guess I will do real quick, actually. Yeah, welcome to the Media Center install wizard. It will take 10 to 40 minutes. Yeah, I know. See if I can get WinRAR on this thing. Does new WinRAR work on old versions? Let's see. That's odd. Installing OS on actual hardware? I mean, yes, go for it. Okay, cool. I got WinRAR on here, both 64 and 32-bit versions. So hopefully this works, even though it's like a new version, like the latest version. Alright, let's see. Hello, my computer. You gonna open? Why? Alright, I'm ending the video and the stream. I'm too sleepy now. I can't deal with any more of this. So, I'm gonna do the outro. Well, yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. I might have to find an older, you know, maybe Windows Millennium, Windows XP machine. I think I might have one that'll work. I could use the Windows 98 laptop, but I'm using it for the Whistler series, so I'm kind of just off and on, but it's okay. Make sure you go down in the description, check out all the links I have down there. Maybe support me, help me buy some DVDs. I'm going to need some for this series. Sorry that I couldn't do everything. This laptop is too new, but anyways, guys, I guess I will see you guys later. Goodbye, guys. Unfortunately, there's no sound, which really sucks. Alright, in case you guys, if any of you guys just recently joined, join the Discord, make sure to read the rules, especially the, last bit of the rules, just to know for sure how to join my server, because I have some security measures set, and you will be kicked from my server if you don't do what you need to do, so... I appreciate you guys being on the stream. Thank you so much. And I guess that's it of the stream. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it.